Hello all, welcome to Kathos Media. First question. The stages of cognitive development proposed by Jerome S. Bruner is given below. Which of them is in the correct order? Options: A. Inactive stage, iconic stage, symbolic stage. B. Iconic stage, symbolic stage, inactive stage. C. Symbolic stage, iconic stage, inactive stage. D. None of the above. Answer option A. Inactive stage, iconic stage, symbolic stage. Second question. The most intense and critical socialization takes place: A. During early childhood. B. During childhood. C. During adolescence. D. During adulthood. Answer option C. During adolescence. The most intense and critical socialization takes place during adolescence. Third question. Insight theory of learning was promoted by options: A. Ivan Pavlov, B. Kohler, C. Vygotsky, D. Bruner. Answer option B. Kohler. Insight theory of learning was promoted by Kohler. Fourth question. Which of the following is the growth need proposed by Abraham Maslow? Options: A. Physiological needs, B. Love and belongingness, C. Esteem need, D. Self-actualization. Answer option D. Self-actualization. The growth need proposed by Abraham Maslow is self-actualization. Fifth question. To cater the needs of children with special needs, which of the following is provided? Options: A. Adapted textbooks, B. Activity books, C. Resource teachers, D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. To cater the needs of children with special needs, adapted textbooks, activity books, and resource teachers are needed. Sixth question. Emotional intelligence was popularized by options: A. Daniel Goleman, B. Vygotsky, C. Skinner, D. Noam Chomsky. Answer option A. Daniel Goleman. Emotional intelligence was popularized by Daniel Goleman. Seventh question. Inclusive education is options: an approach to educate girls only, B. An approach to educate backward children through special schools, C. An approach to educate children with special needs along with regular students in regular schools, D. None of the above. Answer option C. An approach to educate children with special needs along with regular students in regular schools. Inclusive education is an approach to educate children with special needs along with regular students in regular schools. Eighth question. Teacher gave a problem in the class. Bijil did it in an alternate and different way. This behavior of Bijil depicts his options: A. Aptitude, B. Motivation, C. Creativity, D. Interest. Answer option C. Creativity. Teacher gave a problem in the class and Bijil did it in an alternate and different way, and this behavior depicts his creativity. Ninth question. Critical thinking is options: A. Criticizing the way other people think, B. Using specific thinking skills to reach reasonable conclusions, C. Questioning everything around us, D. Direct thinking as per instructions. Answer option B. Using specific thinking skills to reach reasonable conclusions. Critical thinking is using specific thinking skills to reach reasonable conclusions. പത്താമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. Which region of the brain controls the complex mental activities such as thought, planning, etc.? Options: A. Cerebellum, B. Cerebral cortex, C. Hypothalamus, D. Thalamus. Answer option B. Cerebral cortex. The region of brain that controls the complex mental activities such as thought, planning, etc. is called as cerebral cortex. പതിനൊന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. Which of the following is not a learning disability? Options: A. ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, B. dyslexia, C. dysgraphia, D. dysmania. Answer option D. Dysmania. Dysmania is not a learning disability. All others are learning disabilities. 12th question. The medium of instruction at the primary level should be mother tongue. The reason is that options A. It makes learning more easy. B. It makes learning meaningful. C. It develops self-confidence. D. It results in intellectual development. Answer option C. It develops self-confidence. The medium of instruction at the primary level should be in mother tongue. The reason is that it develops self-confidence. 13th question. Certain characteristics of growth and development are given below. Physical growth is steady and uniform, develops the power of reasoning, learn to control emotions. These characters are related with which stage of growth and development? Options A. Infancy, B. Later childhood, C. Early childhood, D. Adolescence. Answer option B. Later childhood. The characters of growth and development. Physical growth is steady and uniform, develops the power of reasoning, and learn to control emotions are the characters related to later childhood. 14th question. The current level of knowledge and skills of a student is an indicator of options A. Aptitude, B. Attitude, C. Achievement, D. Interest. Answer option C. Achievement. The current level of knowledge and skills of a student is an indicator of achievement. 15th question. We can improve our learning and memory by the strategy. Options A. Mnemonics, B. Combined study, C. Reading, D. Writing. Answer option A. Mnemonics. We can improve our learning and memory by the strategy of mnemonics. 16ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. Grading is used. Options A. To find the topmost student in an exam. B. To categorize students in various ability groups. C. To identify the strengths and weakness of students. D. All of the above. Answer option B. To categorize students in various ability groups. Grading is used to categorize students in various ability groups. 17ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. The theory of intelligence proposed by Spearman is known as options A. Group factor theory, B. Two-factor theory, C. Three-dimensional theory, D. Triarchic theory. Answer option B. Two-factor theory. The theory of intelligence proposed by Spearman is two-factor theory. 18th question. Which of the following is true about conditioning? Options A. Learning results only from experience. B. Learning involves short-term changes in behavior. C. Classical and operant conditioning are same. D. Only animals can be conditioned. Answer option A. Learning results only from experience. Learning results only from experience is true about conditioning. 19th question. According to whom specific language elements and grammar are growing in the mind of the child through universal grammar? Options A. Vygotsky, B. B.F. Skinner, C. Jean Piaget, D. Noam Chomsky. Answer option D. Noam Chomsky. According to Noam Chomsky, specific language elements and grammar are growing in the mind of the child through universal grammar. 20ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. The feeling aspect of behavior falls in which domain of learning? Options A. Cognitive, B. Affective, C. Psychomotor, D. Hierarchical. Answer option B. Affective. The feeling aspect of behavior falls in the affective domain of learning. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലയേറിയ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മാർക്സും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. See you all in the next video. Thank you.